Hey boo's, welcome back to my channel. So for this tutorial, I decided to use a clear bin. I have 3 deep wave 10-inch bundles and a closure which I've already bleached off camera. There's absolutely no need to worry about your curls being ruined or the style being out of place. I'm going to show you that you can deep wash and condition your hair and it remains the same. So I start off by soaking the hair, and then I'm going to use my Daily Defense Argan Oil Moisturizing Shampoo. I'm going to pass it through the hair once and go on to rinse it out. Also make sure that you're also passing the shampoo through the wefts at the top. Don't forget that part. That's why I recommend washing the hair at least 5 times, especially if you don't unravel the hair to wash it and you leave it still concealed. Because guys, this is human hair, just like your hair. It gets dirty, it builds up with a lot of stuff, and sometimes when the person that you bought the hair from, who they got it from, sometimes they don't even know where that person got the hair from. You know, sometimes the hair is just like lying in a recycling place and you just gather it out, fix it up nice. Not saying that they don't wash their hair, but do they wash it enough to go on someone's hair directly? I don't know, maybe, but this hair, as you just saw, was really dirty, and that's why I just kept washing it until the water runs clear. Just as you won't put dirty clothes on, the same as with hair. Do not put dirty hair to your hair or make a wig out of it directly. It's just all about hair hygiene, booze, and I just want us to just live our bestest life knowing that and doing that all the times for every bundle. Another tip is to really make sure you go through the bundle, like make sure you go through every part of every layer, because sometimes you're thinking that you're washing the entire hair and then you go in and you see there's still a dry part. So really make sure that every piece of strand is wet and is well saturated with the shampoo, so everything gets a thorough cleanse. As soon as the water is clear from washing each bundle plus the frontal, I know that my work hair is done and we can process on to the deep conditioning. I'm using the Luseta Jamaican Black Castor Conditioner. Don't ask me where I got this from. My mom always finds these cool random things, so that's what I'm using. She's probably gonna be like, "Oh, you use the thing for make nice face YouTube video? Okay, oh, I don't know about you. By the way, that was so and so much money. I want it now." You know how Caribbean parents say. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and I just combed through each bundle and the closure and I let it rest for a few hours. So after that's done, I comb through it again before rinsing it out, and then I leave it on a towel to dry, and I do that for each bundle and closure. I decided to show the whole step because this video is so short, and for me it was just so soothing to watch, so satisfying to watch, so I figured it would be the same thing for you guys too. So I just let it run. That's it, guys. That's the end result. As you can see, the curls are still intact. The pattern is still there. It didn't take me that long. You guys saw how dirty it was to how clean it became, and voila. Let me know what you guys think down below, and thanks again for watching, guys. Be blessed. A little disclaimer, I wanted to also show you guys that this hair did not even shed that much. Like, look how much came out. And I'm also going to show you guys, after you guys wash your hair in a sink and you don't have the like stopper, please clean out the drain. I went and got a glove because like one of my pet peeves is touching hair that's not actually like attached to where it's supposed to be. It's so disgusting. If you have that pet peeve too, let me know down below in my comments, but do make sure to clean the sink wherever you're washing your hair so it doesn't clog up.